to chairman ma jet na say shamu hear propaganda bi ankwase afo mu ye Ghana asha 5 into President Mahama yenya 9 points we won 3 out of the 4 matches as a 5 matches yeah ansana ba na Mahama bu wa bra was using our money for afuna ye one ne champion ye o this man so fan kwad woman disaster ba okosho wo microphone sen what do you say
Tamakuru tamakuru
woman na di yesika no woman na me say health no onya sika nkwa me say ya na asem bi wa empanifo asem me papa na ye regional health director wa Ashanti region sometimes I see a committee sika ye dey finance kra na ye nya Doma Hama time otimi frɛ otimi me gina for so ya na papa dey na wo ye yen won fa sika mo me say na economy na break just say to the nonsense point na kwa wo yetimi akwa ba yen hu dua broni aba ba da mo just ono kra dem ayamo na mo da mo because Doma Hama no ma hu nyansa se bi okan ye ayamo akasa na mo da mo me fa hye Doma Hama I'm not going to blame him ayamo akasa mo na mo ye stupid because obi ogina ha me ma mo 500 egu mo so na mo de akoto dokono na nche na modi me be bon kuko bu ama na ma ye kuko so he never made your friend say he never made me who dey make any sense during the campaign time. What was his message? There was no a single sensible message that man made. Never. All the messages that he told you Ghanaians were stupid. There was no sense in his message. The 500 and can afford the money the that's why his message. Tell me one idea what he did to Mahama.
Sister Sabina,
one important message. Oh my God, sent Mama Kotumano.
Sister Sabina,
bro.
Sansem who we are Mahama Koka is and can afford the Dokon in Chenam. Sakani be the Kokaya in Kijada Ghana.
Oh God.
Dancing.
Can you bet to me? Give it to me after
your penny be the Kokaya.
Now Ghana home.
Now this time, and yes, your babu and who dear she awom.
Kebenya ya na so agina kayebenya me say se bia me kahwe sa ne ma be yohanma na president ko forma ye enkran na ye ntimi fan compare lomi kra na ye ntimi fan kran compare o e president ko for otina England no hwe no hwe London was na de krasi be na ye capital town yi na sa dia meyi ho nyina minister na president ko for yi ho minister no start say wo ye enkran yo me say ye Lagos Nigeria for the Lagos no na yet ho ye ja o man na Majority Rollins na o di kum nipa na Accra ho na first day kuma se kuma se fechen kana ba ayan pipi amanya na dia ni tie ba ya wo mu ba best start be develop Accra mo hwe na na do ko no ayan kan enkwa sia fa mo se ya koto ba tia no mo hwe de na na do ko na wa yan kan mo kran ye mo free ba 15 years ago mo ntemu 15 free mo mfiem se na nkran ate na yetime de nkra akra kototulo mi ho Togo heya na yetime de ye capital city ko compare omu Nigeria for developing Lagos me say ada ya na mo hwe Nigeria movies na Lagos bar me say as downtown Lagos bar as me kro mu downtown omu ye movies am Nigeria no na Ghana na kura biase it took NPP aban year the be develop Accra sha se bo ya Accra ama Accra ye kuro na momo so na da bia mase ya beto abetia for what e reason kra na mo gina so tia moto abetia NPP mon ka memintie e reason na mo gina so e de to abama NPP a mo so na mo dia ndisi achi ye ka hwea monte asase man monti ja ye ka hwea monte mo ma ye reason tia moto abama NPP o me twetwa tora chema na ma jet na say shamu hear propaganda bi ankwase afo mu ye Ghana asha 5 into President Mahama yenya 9 points. We won 3 out of the 4 matches as a 5 matches. Yeah. Ansana ba na Mahama bu wa bra na do to so no. Ya win bi ansana. Mo hwa John Mahama ba win o mo so ya John Mahama ba ye ntina. Ya win. Just kwasiafo sa ya reason ye. Ade na yenya di kan win na ya points ansana ba we abenya we na so no. Wo mo so John Mahama ba ye ntina. Look at people like no.
Bi hu sa ade ne kura mpo ntino. Bi se me be bomb pa e kwa se Ghana kwa ye. Yen feel kura sa na be ye pa ya. Oh. Me bomb pa se. Abayfo mu en bi
voice na enamo bobo voice and bobo.
Oh, bobo.
Hey, and then my Ghana.
Voice, men for own to tum, ye winnie here. And your Mahaman Tini, winnie, Mahamo Nyobia.
Mama, ne ho by law could need Jashia, and then what Bana committee and me a winnie.
Ona Shamima Muslim. Shamima, dear. What I did.
Sana trendy obusafo ene mu nyanwu ya na ene mu ko social media hu na trendy no papa na kasa kwa bet omo trendy omo si isi ama omo si aba power no afina black stars
they say football na yin na de gidi eni so na mo say the politics say baba be rem ama say no and na just say mo wo so a ye nya against Ghana.
Black Star, a winner at the Ajuma Bragana for.
Debbie.
Your fun is a war.
Say you feel never Thomas.
Say you know. Well, I was going to talk about them. A broke crying fee. Woman, I don't blame them that much. Oh, Mama, who John Mahama Memonesa. Now, what's the 8 years free? Uncle age, man. That time no mama no papa no try dey mo dey nto man say dan hu ye na ye tim na ye face John Mahama memu fun no we knew nia oyeye enti ye de oh enti nkola we no mo hu John Mahama
Jesus no the more there omo ehun hwi o mo there they don't care
yeah you're fortunate enough look at how ye kwa ye be face here COVID is a free here e be dihwe ye tiri say pine ye tira nya ye na COVID ne baaye enti nkola no mo be hu COVID no COVID impact ene no mba experience ye enti the real amemo na ye bu ne papa no amoma am feel say asetena ade omo ba be hia abre mu odin na nado ni tira nya ye na NDC take advantage of it na almost so ade to nkola ni trimu. That was the asema by and I yes be share brand digitalization aba e bi ansa kwase 40 social media and Ghana ye efuom and ansa kwase akeka no enti nran kwala no team enti ayo mo oh that ayo and Ghana efuom na dia man dia grass nko na sanse buru no mo keka enti ma ne nran kwala no team enti nran mo team sa no
omo cost
no mo na mbi omo fisa abrabo nye hwema omo mu da so e stagnant we must tagi wo ba bi omo wo bi wan so entesa ana ya time na John Mahama ti so na ye ni social media ni say anti ki e be kakra me na wura krofo mu we dia impact and omo akasa na feel o John Mahama de social media nkeka nti nipa na didi amenkra na ye betena ha tie mu na ye ne se woni di ye ba ya time na John Mahama bra na de akomo de wa ye real akom na de wa wu feel wo ye mo dosaw it